Morning students, today we are going to read poem Paper Boats. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The poem narrates the child experience of floating paper boats. Day by day I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. Float to move slowly through water, stream, a small river. Here a child, he floats his paper boat down the running stream day by day. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. In capital letters, he writes his name on paper boards and he writes the name of his village where he lives. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. Strange, unknown, land, a area of ground. And he hopes that somewhere someone will find his paper boards and know him. I load my little boards with surely flower from our garden. Lord put into surely a small white flower which blooms in the morning. And in his paper boards he put surely flowers from his garden and hoped that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. And here the child has always a deep sense of love. He wishes to present the unknown friend the valuable gift. So he put flower from his garden in his board and he hopes that these flowers will be carried safely in a strange land in the night. I launch my paper boards and look up into sky and see the little clouds setting the white blugging sails. Launch to send into the water. Then he sent his paper boards into the water and then he look up into the sky and he imagines that he has a friends in the sky and he had a friends in the sky and the little clouds are there, they are full of water. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sent them down the air to race means compete with my board. And he imagines that he has a friend in the sky and he thinks that the other child has sent these clouds down the air to compete with his boat. When night comes, I bury means put my face in my arms and dream. The paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. And when night is there, then he put his face into his arms and he dreams about his paper boats, that the paper boats are floating under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and the lading their basket full of dreams. Fairies, angels, or you can say small creature with wings and magics. And at night when he sleeps, he see in his dreams that the angels are sailing in his boat and he is very happy to see that.